Don't worry about it, baby. That wasn't your fault. Don't say sorry. It was not your fault, baby. I'm sorry for making it feel like it was your fault.
It's okay.
It definitely was not your fault. Ice cream?
Sure.